So you can go there and check out a lot of these articles that I have. But here last year, they accused Donald Trump of climate denying, and he was also a member of the Flat Earth Society. So they're pretty angry with him because, from what I understand, the budget that had been out there up under Barack Obama was really expanded, and up under Trump is going down. Let's see. It says staffing at the White House Office of Science and Technology Policy has plunged from 135 under President Obama to 45, according to former Director John Holdren, a Harvard physicist. Again, a Harvard hoaxist. These scientists are not even doing science anymore. It's all about, mathematics on the board, but no real direct physical things of the universe can, we've never seen the black hole. You've never seen some of these things, the event horizon, the stuff that Einstein talked about with gravity, and the things that he talked about when it comes to even time travel. All of that is just theory. It was done by physicists. It was theory. It's yet to be proven. We've never seen any of it. We don't know what dark matter is. None of this stuff makes any sense when you put it all together and say, well, okay, give me some proof of it. Well, there's no proof of it. Then on top of that, you might as well say there's no proof that the earth is round, so you can say what you want to say, but no one's ever proven it. And as a matter of fact, there's more science now that's saying that the earth is flat. And that's going to come out, from what I understand, that's going to come out in March the 29th, 2018. This information is going to be published by a scientist here, releases a documentary proving that the earth is not round. And that's coming from Sao Paulo. And this was in the Newswire. It says here that he's going to come out with information that the earth is convex, and the documentary will prove this. And I think he's done a study over 7 years, a 7-year study of scientific experiments conducted at different points here to prove or disprove that the earth, or the shape of the earth. And so what he's going to do on from what I said, March 26th, he's going to unveil it to the world, that his discoveries. And his discovery is that the earth, indeed, is not a sphere. So maybe that's why Donald Trump is rushing to defund the ISS, because the hoax is about over here. The information that's coming out, it's about game over, man. That's what's happening. Game is over. And so there's cutting of funding on all of these scientific, so-called science, pseudoscience. The world of scientism is getting cut, and I'm glad about it. How about you? I'm really glad about it. Donald Trump's climate denying Flat Earth Society, and that's what they're angry about. They're angry at Donald Trump, and they're saying that Category 3 storm should have changed Donald Trump's mind. Well, we don't even know whether or not they produce those storms at all. They've got weather machines, and we know that. And so they do mess with the weather. But I can tell you, when I was growing up back even in the, I'm a product of the 60s and 70s. When I was growing up in the 70s, they were talking about how the weather was changing, and by the time we reached the year 2000, we were going to have another ice age. And some of you probably are old enough to remember that. And then also how they fooled us when it came down to, other things.